So you have learned that React is a JavaScript library for creating user interfaces. In contrast to React, we have other tools like Angular and Vue, which are frameworks. But what is the difference between a library and a framework? A library is a tool that provides specific functionality, while a framework provides a set of tools and guidelines for building applications. So a library is like a tool, while a framework is like a tool set. Now, React is just a library or a tool for building user interfaces. So the only thing that it does and is good at is creating dynamic and interactive user interfaces. But we hardly use only React to build modern applications. We often need additional tools for concerns such as routing, which means allowing the user to go from one page to another, making HTTP calls, managing the application state, internationalization, form validation, animations, and so on. Now, the great thing about React is that it doesn't have an opinion about the additional tools we should use for these concerns, so we can pick the right tools for the job. In this part of the course, our focus is entirely on React and no third-party libraries. Once you master React, in the next part, we'll explore some additional useful libraries in the React ecosystem.